Have you ever wondered where your python meat comes from? Nestled in the heart of Washington State's dense wilderness, a secret of colossal proportions unfolds. This is the home of the largest python meat processing factory in the USA. It's a place where the unusual becomes the everyday, where millions of these reptiles are raised and processed annually. Let's meet our guide for this adventure. Jessica, an intrepid explorer of the food world, is here to shed light on the mysteries of this fascinating place. With a gleam in her eyes and an insatiable curiosity, she's ready to delve into the enigma that is the Python Factory. From the outside, it's a fortress, a labyrinth of concrete and steel. But what lies within is a world few have seen. Are you ready to embark on this journey? Ready to discover the unknown? Join me as we step inside. As we enter the factory, the enormity of this operation begins to dawn on us. The sheer scale of it all is both overwhelming and fascinating. It's like stepping into another world, a world where giant pythons are the main attraction. As we walk through the labyrinth of corridors, we are met with a series of security checkpoints. Each one is more intense than the last, a testament to the importance of keeping the operations of this factory secure. In this place, nothing is left to chance. Mark, the plant manager, guides us through the process. Each checkpoint, he explains, plays a critical role in maintaining the integrity of our operations. From ensuring the health and safety of our staff to protecting the welfare of our pythons, every measure is meticulously planned and executed. The factory's security measures are indeed impressive. Biometric scanners, state-of-the-art surveillance systems, and highly trained security personnel are all part of the landscape here. It's clear that the people who run this place are serious about what they do. As we navigate through the security checkpoints, Mark shares more about the factory's commitment to safety. We operate in a high-risk environment, he says. The safety of our people and our pythons is paramount. We leave no stone unturned in making sure that every aspect of our operations is secure. The atmosphere within the factory is thick with suspense. The hum of machinery, the flurry of activity, and the sense of purpose in the air add to the aura of this place. You can almost feel the anticipation of what lies ahead. As we delve deeper into the factory, the enormity of this operation becomes even more apparent. It's hard not to be awed by the sheer scale of it all. This isn't just a factory, it's a testament to human ingenuity and a symbol of our endless quest for innovation. Security is tight, and the atmosphere is thick with suspense. The journey into the heart of this giant python meat processing factory has just begun, and we can't wait to see what lies ahead. We are greeted by Mark, the plant manager. With a firm handshake and a warm smile, Mark welcomes us into his world, a world where the unusual becomes the norm. As the plant manager, Mark oversees the entire operation, ensuring the smooth running of this colossal factory. His days are filled with a whirlwind of activities, from checking the health of the pythons to monitoring the processing lines. He's a man of many hats, juggling the challenges of producing high-quality python meat with the responsibilities of maintaining the welfare of these incredible creatures. Mark's passion for his work is evident in the way he speaks. His eyes light up as he talks about the intricate processes involved in python meat production. As he guides us through the factory, he promises an insight into a world that few have ever seen before. Mark is ready to take us on an eye-opening tour. Mark leads us deeper into the factory. We walk along wide, bustling corridors and into the heart of the operation. The air is filled with an unusual mix of sounds, the distant hum of machinery, the occasional hiss of a pressure valve, and the rapid-fire chatter of the workers as they go about their tasks. Mark, our guide and the manager of this mammoth facility, begins to share the first steps of the Python meat processing. He details, with a clear passion for the work, how each python is carefully selected, ensuring only the healthiest and strongest are chosen for the process. Each snake is then humanely stunned, ensuring a swift and painless end. The respect for each creature is clear in his voice, a testament to the ethical standards they uphold here. From there, the pythons are moved to the processing line. Here, they are cleaned and prepared for the next steps in the process. The speed and efficiency of the workers are truly a sight to behold. Mark explains how each worker is trained extensively to ensure they can carry out their tasks with skill and precision. The factory, while vast and bustling, operates like a well-oiled machine. Every process is streamlined. Each worker knows their role, and the end result is a product that is safe, ethical, and of the highest quality. As Mark continues to guide us through the factory, each new area reveals another layer of the process. From the initial selection of the pythons to their processing and eventual packaging, it's clear that this operation is a complex and well thought out system. As we delve deeper into the factory, we realize this is just the tip of the iceberg. There is so much more to explore, so many more processes to understand, and so many more stories to tell. This is just the beginning of our fascinating journey through the largest python meat processing factory in the USA. Excited? Intrigued? Good, because we're just getting started. Stay with us. This is just the beginning of our fascinating journey. Stay with us. We delve into the heart of this extraordinary facility. As we journey deeper into the factory, the magnitude of the operation unfolds. Mark guides us through the key processes, each one a vital cog in the intricate mechanism of python meat production. First, we encounter the python housing area. Here, the snakes are kept in conditions that mimic their natural habitat. The temperature, humidity, and even the lighting are carefully controlled to ensure the pythons thrive. From the housing area, we proceed to the feeding station. Mark explains that the pythons are fed a diet designed by expert herpetologists to promote healthy growth. The precision and care put into this process is a testament to the factory's commitment to ethical and sustainable practices. Next, we arrive at the processing area, the core of the operation. Here, the pythons are humanely processed. The factory's innovative techniques ensure that the meat is harvested with minimal waste, a nod to their commitment to sustainability. As we move forward, we come across the packaging station. Each piece of python meat is meticulously inspected, cleaned, and packaged, ready for distribution. The factory's stringent quality control measures ensure that only the best products make it to the market. Lastly, we witness the dispatch area. This is where the packaged python meat is loaded onto trucks for distribution across the country. It's a sight to behold as pallets of packaged python meat are prepared for their journey to supermarkets and restaurants nationwide. The tour with Mark provides a glimpse into the factory's dedication to precision, quality, and sustainability. It's clear that every process, every step, and every decision is driven by a commitment to delivering the best python meat products while minimizing environmental impact. The scale and complexity of this operation is truly awe-inspiring. We've barely scratched the surface of what goes on in this factory. As we draw the curtains on today's episode, we leave you with a hint of the mysteries yet to be unraveled. This colossal factory, hidden in the heart of Washington State's wilderness, is a hive of activity that never sleeps. And next time, we'll plunge deeper into the belly of the beast. In our next episode, we will take you on an extraordinary journey through the labyrinth of the giant python meat processing factory. We'll follow the life cycle of these colossal creatures from the moment they arrive at the facility to the time they leave in neatly packaged boxes. We'll delve into the fascinating world of python breeding, a meticulous process that requires precision, patience, and a deep understanding of these magnificent creatures. We'll explore the state-of-the-art incubators, where millions of python eggs are nurtured to hatch. Next, we'll venture into the feeding areas, where the pythons are provided with a carefully curated diet to ensure they grow healthily and sustainably. We'll also get an exclusive behind-the-scenes look at the processing lines, where skilled workers carefully prepare the python meat for market. Moreover, we'll have a candid chat with Mark, the plant manager who oversees the entire operation. His insights will shed light on the challenges and rewards of managing the largest python meat processing factory in the USA. Finally, we'll explore the factory's commitment to sustainability. From its efforts to minimize waste to its innovative practices aimed at reducing its carbon footprint, we'll uncover how this factory is leading the way in environmentally friendly meat production. The mysteries of this giant python meat processing factory are many, and we're just beginning to uncover them. So, come with us as we continue our journey into the heart of this extraordinary facility. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you won't miss the next episode. Stay tuned.